Okay, this question is a maximising problem or minimizing problem from differentiation. So it says X pencils cost Y pence each, Y pens cost 2X pence each. The total number of pencils and pens must be 20. Find the value of X and Y for which the total cost will be maximum, proving that it is maximum. And then part B is find the maximum possible cost. Okay, first of all, let's look at the cost. We'll do a cost equation. So we'll say our cost is equal to, you have X pencils and they cost Y pence each. So they're just going to be XY. And then you have Y pens and they cost 2 pence each. So that's going to be 2XY. So the total cost, add those together, is 3XY. Also, and this is a bit that people are going to not see, is it says the total number of pencils and pens must be 20. So you had X pencils and you had Y pens. So the number of those is X, number of those other ones is Y, and that must be 20. So that allows you then, there's your cost is equal to 3XY, and then we can use this to rearrange, and I'll probably make Y the subject here, so we have our cost all in terms of X. So we're going to rearrange, we'll call this equation 1, and we'll say Y is equal to 20 minus X, and then what we're going to do with that is sub that into the cost equation. So if we sub that into the cost equation, I'll just do that here so we can see it all on one screen. So we sub that into the cost equation. Your cost is now going to become 3x upon 20 minus x. And if you multiply it out, that will be 60x minus 3x squared. And then, so that's your cost. To find maximum or minimum, you've got to differentiate and put that the derivative equal to 0. So we're going to do dc by dx and find that. And that's going to be 60 minus 6x. And we're going to put that equal to 0. So put 0 equal to 60 minus 6x. Bring the minus 6x across. It becomes positive 6x equals 60, which means x is equal to 60 divided by 6, which is 10. Okay, read the question again. It says, find the values of x and y for the total cost. Will be maximum, proving it's at maximum. We'll prove it as maximum first of all. To prove something's maximum, you've got to do your d2c by dx squared. So to get that, you differentiate this thing again. And that will give you minus 6, which is less than 0. Therefore, it is a maximum. And then just say when x equals 10 or y equals, so you're putting into this equation, y equals 20 minus 10. So y is equal to 10. Okay, so that's part A done. Last part, part B, asks us to find the maximum possible cost. For part B, to find your maximum possible cost, C is equal to, and we're putting it, just put it into, no, we'll put it into this equation. We now have got our x and our y. It'll be easier to put it into that one there. So 3 times my x value, which is 10, times my y value, which is 10, which is 300. And what are my units going to be? It's going to be pence, 300 pence, and we'll give that as £3. And that's it done.